I'm Mary. I'm here to show you how to make more money and save more money by turning poultry droppings into poultry food and later on as farmyard manure. Stay tuned and learn more. Step 1, I'm going to collect the droppings. Step 2, I'm going to take the droppings that I've just collected, then put them in a sack. Now I'm going to moisturize my poultry dropping, which is step 3. Step 4, I'm going to leave my droppings covered for about 3 to 4 days. Then after that, we will come check the results. So it's day 3 and I'm so excited to see the results today. Step 5, I'm going to collect the remains after the poultry have picked the worms, then use it as farmyard manure. It takes 3 to 4 days for the poultry droppings to turn into poultry food. This means that in a week, you'll be able to feed your poultry without necessarily going to your pockets and buying them food. This will save on your input and maximize on your output. For example, in our case, we are able to save 300 every week, making it 1200 per month. So be wise and save your money, hence earn more. Thank you for watching. Bye.